Hi guys, you know, I didn't think to make this video until right now, and I have almost cooked the food I'm making. I'm cooking on the stove today for a change instead of the air fryer. But this is basically leftover cabbage, leftover ham, like a proper ham roast, ham off the bone roast, that I had like a half slab in the freezer, so I took it out, chopped it up, seasoned the onions. There's onions in here, chopped onion with vegetable, La Grill vegetable, and I used some paprika, lemon, lime, and I mixed that with a tablespoon of chili powder. You can make it as hot or mild as you want, and then you mix it all together, and you mix that with the meat and the grilled sauteed onion, which, you know, you just basically put in a little bit of oil, whatever. And then the cabbage is chopped up, and as you can see, dried and baked in the oven for about 20-25 minutes. And then you mix it all in together like this. I threw in some frozen peas because I didn't have any peppers or mushrooms, but you can put anything in this, and it is so delicious. It's great to have as leftovers. And I just kind of wanted to get on here and show you what I am cooking. And then you just basically heat it up again, toss it around. Guys, put it in whatever seasoning you want to. This is a made-up recipe, and I love cabbage. Cabbage absorbs flavor like you would not believe, so whatever you put in it, it will absorb that flavor and take on that flavor. So chili powder, hot, mild, whatever, vegetable seasoning, a little bit of paprika, basically whatever you want to put in it. That's what I put in it. It takes approximately 20 to 30 minutes to make it, and you'll have leftovers. I mean, I made a pot this size for 2 people, so yeah. Just wanted to share that with you guys, and hope you're having a great day, and talk to you soon. Guys, I just thought I'd pop in. Decided to go for, well, I went for a walk earlier, walked about 5 kilometers, and then I came out to a little small town outside of where I live, and I wanted to come and pick up some local honey, and it's right down at Lake Ontario, so I thought, well, I'll just bring you along and tag it onto the video of what we're having for dinner tonight. So yeah, so here we are. I'm going to turn around and show you the lovely view. And right behind me here is the honey farm. And yeah, it's really good if you eat honey from local farms. It's good for allergies, and apparently that's, you know, it's good if you have allergies, seasonal allergies, and if you eat the local honey, it helps with those allergies because they are local allergies. You're allergic to something in your environment, so local bees are going to be pollinating in those areas. So yeah, I have a fear of bees, more wasps than anything, but yeah, so hopefully I don't encounter any bees, but yeah, I'll go pick up my honey now. Here we go. Here we are. Just had to come down and walk on the beach while I was here. And this is only about 15 or 20 minutes away from where I actually live. And I always get my local honey here. And what a beautiful day to do it. So, yeah. Here we go. Take a little picture. They always leave it out at the front of the farm, and there's a little box next to the honey, and it's honor system, so a large jar of honey is $15, and you just put the money in the slot. I just love that. I love this small town honest living. So let me show you the honey that I got. Willow Beach Premium Wildflower Honey, made in Canada. Cool. Hear the birds. It's my favorite time of year. Summer, spring. I'm just enjoying an iced tea. I got back from picking up the honey. I did a little bit of grocery shopping on the way back. Hubby's been resting today. And I've just been doing a little bit of running around. Nora will be here again tomorrow, and then I have her for a couple of days. She stays over, she sleeps over. It just makes it easier while her parents are working. And yeah, I just wanted to pop in very quickly while I'm enjoying my tea, and just thank everyone. Thank you all for the amazing outreach. My goodness, the messages, the private messages, the comments. Thank you. I appreciate all of it. And we're doing fine. We're taking one day at a time. And I'm hoping to do a couple of reviews, maybe if I get the chance. I have a fragrance coming, a very special fragrance coming from the UK, and I will be doing a review on that one for sure. I can't wait to get that one. And then of course I got the Wanted Ginger from Disquared, and Nora and I have been really enjoying that one. It's a really nice, really nice fragrance, so it's a toss-up which one I prefer better. That one's a little bit more interesting. I think that makes it just that little bit more special. And I hate to talk about discontinued fragrances because, there's a reason why you don't want to talk about them, because they're discontinued. But they are still available on the market. And, I'd be, it would be misplaced if I didn't, let you guys know how good they are, how affordable they are. I did have to order this one from the United States, and it cost me a little bit more than I would have normally paid for it, but it's still worth it. So yeah, so anyway, just wanted to say hi, thank you again, and I will talk to you all soon. Take care. Bye.